Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to uh, open 2007 to 2017 Mitsubishi Lancer installing unit. I'm gonna show you how to take out the part. First of all, we have to open this part because there's one screws here, and we have to undo or open the trim, and then there's few screws here. Few screws. I'm going to show you step one by one, and then you guys can follow. All right, let's just came out. There's one screws here.
Alright, so just in order to pull the part of the face, just put your hand right under here and just unclip it. And then one here, and that comes off. Once that's off, there is this plastic just comes off from it. And you will need the air vent and these white clips to be removed from this one and connect to the new one. And then you've got 4 screws on the main CD player to be removed, which 1, 2, 3, 4 screws holding it. Once that's done, pull it out, unplug the old plugs and plug it into the new one.
Yep, you can see all the plugs here. This is antenna. This is all the loom. Easy. There's a clip. Push it down. Easy. All the units just came out. And now we need to take out these clips, put it to the actual Android unit, and then we will show you how to install the unit too. As I told you guys, we need to take out these clips here, this part of the unit, and the event here, and I'm going to show you how to, that's it. This one is out. Make sure not to break these clips here. Okay. Is it? No, it's not. Let me see. Oh yeah, got it. From the old unit, and then we put them into our unit. And it came out easy and nice. I'm gonna put it in here, and you guys can see it. All the clips on. Now good to go. Cables are USB cables. You can run it from the back of the unit and all the way to the glove box, and then from there you can easily use this. And that's the power and connected to the our unit loom thing, and the radio antenna goes out in the back, just on the other side of the Wi-Fi antenna. Alright guys, as you can see, all the wires are connected. You can see Wi-Fi antenna, you can see our GPS antenna, attached on back of the air vent, and this is our the loom connected to the actual factory unit, factory wires. And we did reverse camera, we wiring it, and then that's the power cable we connected here, and this is the video. So this is 2 USB cable. We wired it into the glove box. This is our all auxiliary cables. Whenever or person wanted to install subwoofer or side cameras, front cameras, it's all the auxiliaries for them. Now we just put it back and set it up. This is our radio antenna. It goes in the back. Easy. All right. It has a lot of space in the back. Alright, good. And this is our hazard button. It goes right here. And connect it. Alright. Okay. What you need to do is just screw it. Everything is set up, and then I'll have to put the dashboard trim back. So just nice and easy. You put it, as you can see, we unscrew this part so we can take it out. So easy, go. Alright, everything is good. Screws for this, all good.
Alright guys, the installation is all done. Every piece is set. It's very nice and flash. It's sitting perfectly fine. Beautiful.